Father's Day gives us all an opportunity to celebrate and honor the unsung heroes of our family and lives, Father. From beautifying our lives with joys to bestowing on us unconditional love, there's no one like a father. And we can never be thankful enough to him for all he has done for us, continues to do, and will be doing till his last breath. But we can surely make his day, Father's Day, one of the best days of his life, by surprising him with unique gifts for Dad. Here are Father's Day surprise ideas to make him smile in the way only he could do. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. Take over his responsibilities for a day. If you are wondering how to surprise Dad, you must think about this idea. From the first ray of the sunlight till the shining moon in the sky, Father's work. The home luxuries and worldly pleasures are the sweet fruits of their hard work and labor. They sweat all through day and night so that we can have a peaceful sleep. On Father's Day, give him a break from his duties. Take over his responsibilities for the day, though he will not let you do so, like bringing groceries, making pending bill payments, etc. Let him rest, relax, and rejuvenate. No doubts, it will be the best gift for Dad. 2. Pamper him throughout the day. He has left no stone unturned to make us feel special 12 months a year. Our wish has always been his command. Even without us having to say, he understands and fulfills it all. Now, it's our turn to show him that his pampering genes run in our body. Pamper him with different Father's Day surprises, such as treating him with favorite meals and desserts. Add a touch of splendor and nostalgia by placing flowers for Father's Day with a message card on the serving tray. 3. Recreate the golden old memories with him. Life is a collection of beautiful, hilarious, and cherished memories. We all have plenty that we would love to recreate. It may be a picture from yesteryear with you and your dad posing captioned like Dad, like Son, or it could be a hilarious episode when you were small doing funny antics with your dad. It is indeed one of the best Father's Day gifts. Take a trip down to memory lane with him, he would love it. 4. Surprise him with a gift. He believes in giving gifts rather than taking, he is a father. Dads are always on the giving side, and not the receiving. Father's Day gives us all a chance to grace him with gifts. He can't say no because it's Father's Day, and a surprise gift for Dad is legit. Give him a gift that encourages his hobby, or incites him to take up something he has been procrastinating for long. Like if your dad loves painting, a professional painting kid is idyllic. If he is born with green thumbs, then send Father's Day gifts of evergreen plants. Granddad also needs all the love and care from his grandkids. Shower him with Father's Day gifts for Granddad, and make him feel loved. 5. Plan a trip for him. Fathers never voice their desires, but as their children, we must understand the unsaid. He may not say, but he deserves a weekend trip more than anyone else. So, plan one for him on Father's Day. It may be a solo trip, family trip, or dad-children trip. As per his interests, make all the arrangements. Consider, is he a mountain person, or a beach lover? You can also send quirky Father's Day gifts, such as personalized comic caricatures. Whatever you plan, ensure it is fun and memorable for him. 6. Throw a house party to him and his friends. A lively house party will be an excellent surprise for Father's Day. House parties have their unique charm and appeal. House parties give the party host and revelers their much-needed space, privacy, and intimacy, all sprinkled with lots of fun and love. Throw one for your dad. Invite all his friends and their families. Set up a barbecue grill in the backyard, have drinks, and let good times roll. 7. Leave him with happy tears. On this particular occasion, send your dad thoughtful Father's Day gifts, such as decorating his room personally, or leaving a heartfelt note for him. Fathers know the trick how to make children cheerful and gleeful. With their little and larger-than-life gestures, dads never fail to make us feel truly loved. By now, you must have taken inspiration from the ideas. It's time to put them into action for Father's Day surprises. Either decorate his room with a string of memories and quotes before he wakes up, or gift him a journal that you have been decorating with your feelings and emotions for him. Beautiful Father's Day greeting cards are also very emotional and touching. 8. Spend time with him. Our presence and time is the best Father's Day gift we can give to our dads. So, spend Father's Day with him playing the games he likes to play, such as Ludo, chess, cards, carom. There could be nothing more special Father's Day surprise gifts than your precious time. Strengthen your bond with him over a cup of tea or coffee. Listen to his stories, tell him about yours. Have a father-son or father-daughter day. 9. Go shopping with him. Fathers are not only our superheroes, but our fashion heroes as well. Give him a style upgrade by taking him shopping. Do not let him pay, instead, you buy him cool and stylish clothes, shoes, and accessories. If you feel like, you can give him a makeover as well. A shopping feast with dad is undoubtedly among the best Father's Day gifts from daughter. 10. Have a karaoke night. Are you getting confused about selecting a Father's Day gift from son? How about a karaoke night with dad? Sounds good? Dim the lights, bring in his favorite wine, set up the list of karaoke songs, and you are all set for the musical night. Sing and dance the whole night. With the help of these surprise ideas, make Father's Day unforgettable for your hero dad. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow and stay curious.